Oh my god, I hate physics.
I know, it's so boring.
Can we leave?
It's only first period.
Okay, class, settle down. We have a very important lab to do today.
What's this lab going to be about?
It's going to be about Newton's second law. You can check your new Pearson's Physics Source 11 textbook. It's Activity B4 in Chapter 3.2. It relates acceleration to Fnet.
Great.
Okay, class, so this is how your lab should look like. Everything here is already set up for you. Basically, Newton's second law states that if a force is placed on an object, it will accelerate in that direction that it was pushed or pulled. The main equation for this law is Fnet equals mass times acceleration. You got that? This means that the higher the mass, the lower the acceleration. Acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass.
Oh, I get it. Wait, what was it again?
The weight at the end represents the force applied. If the force becomes heavier, like with this brick, the acceleration of the car will increase. Like this.
Okay, that makes sense, but how does this relate to real life situations?
Great question. I have an idea. Let's go to Physicsland. There's a lot to learn at Physicsland.
Really? How?
Of course. Physics is everywhere, like that roller coaster, a perfect example of Newton's second law. From the lab we did in class, you know that force equals to mass times acceleration. In this case, the force that is being applied is when the roller coaster drops. The mass that the force would be acting on would be the mass of the entire coaster, including the people, and the mass of the coaster itself.
Oh, so the heavier the passengers, the faster the roller coaster will go?
The coaster would increase in acceleration, that's for sure.
We're accelerating!
Okay, back to school, my little physicists.
Wow, miss, I never knew Newton's second law could relate to something as fun as Physicsland.
I told you, physics is everywhere.
The roller coaster related perfectly. I now see how the force added to an object actually affects the acceleration.
Yeah, and if you want a roller coaster to move faster, you need bigger people.
So basically, Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force and the mass is indirectly proportional to the acceleration.
Nerd.
That's good, class. You established how force is equal to... Adriana! Stop texting! How many times have I told you?
Miss, calm yourself. I'm texting about physics.
Oh wow, look at the time. I guess that's the end of class. Remember, kids, let the force of physics be with you. And pop quiz tomorrow. Don't forget to study.